अरे क्या हो गया? इलास्टिक इलास्टिक शिट यार, इसमें वो भी सॉरी। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarti Jogani and I hope you are doing good. So today's video is about affordable and modest birthday dresses. So without wasting much further time, let's get started. Now the dress number 1 is this black color puffed sleeves frock, which is so beautiful and comfortable to wear, and this one was for just rupees 899. This frock also has pockets and the material of this frock is so good and comfortable. So this is perfect for everyday casuals and also party wear because it has pockets and it is knee length, तो बहुत ही comfortable होगा. If some people are not comfortable with short dresses, then ये आप बिल्कुल try कर सकते हो, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Now the next dress is the dress which I am currently wearing. This is full sleeves and it also has this amazing neck design, and this one was for just rupees 920. The material of this dress is also super good and also इसकी length full length है, तो आप इसे बाहर भी पहन सकते हो and party wear के लिए भी ये perfect है. This doesn't have pocket and also इसकी sleeves are super good and the color is so pretty. ये सारे skin tones पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. The detailing, the color, the material, the sleeves, everything is so perfect about this dress. You should definitely give it a try. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Now the next dress is this black bodycon dress, which is so good. इसकी neck design भी मस्त है. Also it is so body hugging and इसका material is a bit thick, but आप इसे summers में you can avoid wearing this dress, but winters के लिए ये बहुत ही perfect है. So one thing to keep in mind is that जब भी आप चलोगे या walk करोगे तो इसका जो material है थोड़ा slippery type है, तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर आता जाता है. So if you are not comfortable wearing those, you can skip this one. But otherwise इसकी sleeves, इसकी neck design, इसका material, everything is super good. I would rate it a 8 out of 10 because the only thing I don't like about this is कि जब भी हम walk करते हैं या कुछ pose के लिए भी ऐसे वैसे करोगे तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाता है, which is quite I'm not comfortable about that. Otherwise this dress is also good. Now the next dress is this maroon bodycon dress जिसकी एक net sleeves है and sleeves में polka design है. The length is also super good, quite modest. The material is good, the fabric is good. The only thing you need to keep in mind is कि बहुत ही body hugging है, so you have to wear something inside जो tummy tucker होता है ऐसा कुछ, ताकि थोड़ा आपका body shape में लगे. Otherwise if you are comfortable wearing it ऐसे ही, then you can give it a try. And also it has a slit on the back side of the dress which makes it comfortable अगर आप walk कर रहे हो या कुछ भी. तो overall I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. And yeah, I got this for rupees 800 around. Now the next dress is the skin color floral dress. This is so good and also the color of this dress is super cute and also it has this floral design which makes it super cute. इसकी length भी बहुत अच्छी है and this one I got for rupees 1299. The length of the frock is quite short, but if you are comfortable you can definitely give this a try. The color, the design, the fabric, overall it's super good and you should give it a try. Now moving on to the next dress is this sage green color dress which is so good. इसकी sleeves, इसकी neck design, इसकी fitting, इसका overall जो look है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. I got this for rupees 799 which is quite affordable. The color is good, the fabric is good, it's so modest, comfortable, affordable, and you should definitely give this one a try because it's super good. Now the next dress is this blue floral dress which is full length. It's a kind of a maxi dress. I got this for around 400 or 500 and इसकी sleeves short sleeves है puffed and also नीचे से पूरा maxi dress जैसा है which makes it more comfortable to wear. The color is good, the design is good and I would rate it 7.5 out of 10. The only thing I did not like about it कि इसका जो fabric है it's bit polyester, तो बहुत गर्मी करेगा, as well as I am not a big fan of such fabrics. If you are someone who is looking for a decent maxi dress जिसकी sleeves अच्छी हो, जिसका fabric decent सा हो and color भी अच्छा हो and it's quite affordable, then you can give this one a try. Now moving on to the last dress which is my favorite is this purple color dress because ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. इसकी sleeves, इसकी neck design, इसका fitting, इसका color, everything is super good and I got this for rupees 999 around. मतलब it was around 900 or 1000 something, but इसका जो fitting है बहुत ही अच्छा है. It has the square neck design and overall I love this. The only problem with this one is कि इसकी जो sleeves है वो थोड़े ऐसे गिर रहे थे, सो यही चीज़ एक ध्यान में रखनी है कि आप जो है अपना साइज़ करेक्ट ऑर्डर करो. बाकी ओवरऑल दिस वन इज़ a 11 out of 10 because this one is my favorite. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section इन सारे ड्रेसेस में से आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा. So that's all for today's video. Check the description box for all the product links and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.